Colby from Amp Academy here with another quick tutorial. This time we're working on the wall vault. Basically all you're doing for a wall vault is a scissor speed vault, except you're going to step on an actual wall, right? So one hand goes on the floor, opposite leg kicks up, then you're going to step off of that bar, wall, whatever is there, and push yourself through just like a safety vault, just like a scissor speed vault, except you're actually touching. Hand, foot push through and move nice and smooth. Again, the opposite side, one hand, opposite foot on the wall, push yourself through, land on the floor. That's been your quick tutorial on the wall vault. Remember to make sure to like, share, subscribe, ring that bell to turn on notifications, so that way you'll get notified every single time I upload a new tutorial. That is all. Thank you very much, and we will see you next time.